So, lunch menu on the left, and we are to figure out how many meals were sold in August that included a grilled cheese sandwich. So, we know the total number of possibilities. We can tell that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sandwiches. So 5, I'll put it down here, 5 sandwiches times 4 soups times 4 sides, and that equals 80. So there are 80 different combinations on the menu. And we can also, without even hitting the statements yet, we can also figure out that with a revenue of 36,000, well, no, we can't actually figure that out yet. Eventually we know we're going to divide it amongst the 80 different meals, but we don't know how it's going to be divided. Okay, let's hit those statements. Statement 1 tells us that each possible meal combination generated equal revenue during the month of August. What this allows us to do is take the 36,000 and divide it by 80. Doing so, we end up with each choice, like turkey plus lobster bisque plus salad, each one of those choices generated $450, which is useful because knowing that there's $450 per choice, we know how many choices had grilled cheese in them. 1 grilled cheese plus 4 soups plus 4 sides. And we can figure out the price of each of those, and so we can just divide 450 by the price to figure out how many of those each of the different choices were sold. We're not going to do that math, we just know that we could for each of the whatever it is, 16 choices. So 16 is way more math than I want to do. You can do it on your own if you like, but this is sufficient for us to figure out how many total grilled cheese sandwich meals were served. So we get rid of B, C, and E. Statement 2 tells us that an equal number of turkey and grilled cheese sandwiches were sold during the month of August. So these two numbers are equal, but we don't have any numbers at all to back it up. And without knowing that there's the equal revenue, like we have from statement 1, we really have no way of getting to that final solution of number of grilled cheese sandwiches from statement 2, so it's insufficient on its own. So we get rid of D and select answer choice A.